Hello everyone and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for advanced commodity analysis. I am Ria and today is 30th December. As we head into the final days of the year, the copper market is witnessing a complex tug-of-war. During the Asian trading hours, copper prices have been trading with a mixed bias. On one hand, we see expectations of tighter supply discipline driven by new policies, but on the other hand, these are being offset by clear signs of near-term demand weakness in China and a general shift toward a risk-off tone across global markets. Looking at the London Metal Exchange, 3-month copper is holding steady near its recent highs. This international strength is being supported by expectations that China's tighter oversight of new copper projects will limit future capacity expansion. While this policy stance provides a cushion to overseas prices, the situation on the ground in China remains under significant pressure. On the Shanghai Futures Exchange, copper futures are trading lower as investors engage in profit-taking. High price levels, year-end caution, and weak feedback from the spot market have combined to reduce risk appetite and limit new buying interest. China's spot market is currently signaling real demand stress. In Shanghai, spot copper is trading at wide discounts to futures. As prices approach the psychological level of 100,000 yuan per ton, downstream buying interest has dampened significantly. With the year-end fast approaching, both buyers and sellers have reduced their activity, and just-in-time procurement has weakened further. In the Guangdong region, conditions are similarly soft. According to the Shanghai Metals Market, spot number 1 copper cathode is being quoted at steep discounts, and transactions remain sluggish. This lack of buying has resulted in more material being transferred into warehouse rather than being consumed. The data reinforces this cautious picture, as copper inventories across major Chinese regions rose nearly 11% week-on-week as of 29 December. This points to a much slower offtake in the physical market. Even the secondary copper and scrap markets are reflecting this caution. Scrap suppliers have trimmed their offers while copper rod producers are avoiding active restocking, preferring to wait for the New Year holiday to pass. Beyond these domestic factors, copper is also facing pressure from the broader macro environment. We are seeing a retreat in gold and silver from their record highs, which suggests a reduction in global risk appetite. Investors are also keeping a very close eye on the US Federal Reserve, especially following political tensions regarding the Fed chair and the upcoming release of the December policy meeting minutes. Overall, the direction for copper will now hinge on whether physical demand can stabilize at these elevated price levels amidst a volatile global backdrop. A major move is expected in the copper market in the coming month. The big question is, will it be a bullish rally or a bearish trend? For advanced analysis and precise future projections, please get in touch with us. Our contact numbers are displayed on the screen and are also available in the video description.